Thank you. Hello there. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, that's perfect. A perfect camera. I like it. Hi.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yeah. How about you? Where are you from?
I'm Philippines.
Oh, I like the headband. Oh, you put the headband in your hair.
Thank you.
Pretty good. Yeah, yeah. What do you do in life?
I'm a student, college student.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Like, so you're studying in the Philippines right now. Okay, okay. What are you studying in college?
Tourism.
Tourism. What is that?
Tourism.
A tourism student. Oh, I see. That's why. How tall are you? How tall are you?
I'm 5'4".
Oh, that's why you get qualified for that one, huh? Is it fun studying in college in the Philippines? Is it fun?
Yeah, it's fun.
Oh, wow. I would love to go to college in the Philippines. Very. I will study medicine.
How old are you?
Me, I am 24.
24.
Yeah, I will join Philippine colleges next year probably. So I'm gonna see you in the Philippines, okay?
See you.
Yeah, yeah. Which part are you in the Philippines?
Mindanao.
Okay, okay. Kasabot kag Bisaya.
Bisaya, Manday ka. Shoota ka. Uy, naate ko.
Hala, suntukan tayo ni Mika.
Grabe pa na kung kuha na English.
No, you're doing great. You're so good because you're a tourism student. That's why you speak English so well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bisaya, bitaw sigaw. Bisaya ta.
Tag-asa jud ka.
Tiga. Basig silingan ta din sa Mindanao ba? Butuan.
Ay, nakuan ko sa Kidapawan.
Ah, Gidapawan. Ah, hi.
Kuan, Pakistan.
Juma, yeah, I am Pakistani, but I live in the Philippines.
Ah,
Yeah.
ano, pure or half?
Like, I'm half
Half, ano,
Shih Tzu, half Bulldog.
half Shih Tzu. Bullshit.
Boss Strada, hello. Anong year ka na, Mika?
Hulaan mo.
Yo,
Hindi ate ko na mo ha. Hulaan mo.
like your second year?
Hmm?
Second year. See, I'm so good in guessing.
Okay kayo.
Okay kayo. Mika, i-upload ko, nagko-content kasi ako ngayon.